How are you everyone? I hope you are well. So welcome to the presentation of our 99.99 trading indicator. And without wasting much of your time, I want you to know these things and this information before you use the indicator so that you may be profitable. So this indicator works miracles. There's no indicator like this on earth except this one. This indicator prints money. Okay, basically this indicator was manufactured and it comprises of almost all strategies we use when we are trading, right? So it uses BTMM, smart money concept, ICT, price action, and it then uses artificial intelligence to generate the sales. So it gives the sales and the buys buy entries. It writes on your screen buy, sell, right? Okay, so let me dive into the presentation of this indicator. Okay, when you see this zone, I'm just talking about the properties of the indicator. When you see this zone, this is a yellow zone, right? It's a sell zone. It's a sell zone. Then when you see the blue boxes are buy zones, right? Okay, when you see these lines, the blue lines on your screen, these ones are your support zones, and the red lines are your resistance line. So we have support lines, the blue ones, resistant lines, the red lines, right? So basically how this zone forms, when the market came here, did this, when it comes the second time like this, it will generate the yellow zone and extends it in the future, and it will be a sell zone, right? So when the market comes back here, we are looking for sells. So it will write on your screen sell, especially when it comes third time, right? So you see here it dropped from this zone to this zone, and it pulls back, created the zone here, extended in the future. So when the market comes back in the future again, you are looking forward to sell. So don't think much when you see these zones. These are selling zones, right? So the market came here, created a buy zone, right? And you can see the first buy entry. When you see the second buy entry, you enter with confidence. When you see consecutive entries, for example, first entry and you see the second entry written buy, it signifies that the uptrend is so strong. So you enter the second buy with confidence. The first buy you can put 1%, but when it gives you second buy, enter with confidence, right? Enter with confidence. Don't hesitate. So all you need to know the trend. So these first and second buy zones, they will indicate that the trend is now strong. Another thing, when you see the indicator creating the boxes, this is the blue box, another blue box, and they are closer together like this, it signifies that we are supporting the price to go up. So you just look for an entry inside the zone. When you see written buy, for instance, this is the buy, you enter. So when the market pulls back to an area written buy and the indicator extends the buy, so just know that there's a likelihood for buying again, right? So when you see it writes in the box buy, you just buy. It uses all those strategies I talked about earlier on, and it gives best entries from the strategies, right? So you see another aspect I want to discuss. Let me just quickly discuss it. Okay, let me move to a higher time frame. When you're analyzing indices, you start from, when I'm saying indices, I mean boom and crash, volatilities, jump, and so forth. When you are analyzing them, please start from at least H4 or H1. So let me start from H4. Okay, so the moment you load the chart, the moment the indicator analyzes the chart, right? So there is something I call, okay, let me just use the drawing pencil. Okay, for instance, you are seeing this trend line, or you can draw it on your own, and you are seeing the break of structure here. The market broke structure like this, pullback created a zone, and inside the zone you are seeing sell. If you don't hesitate to sell, if you hesitate to sell here, you can, the second sell, never miss that one, never miss that one. Even this one is the first sell, inside the box is the second sell, and it's a retest. You enter with confidence. Your take profit zone, it will be the next box or the next support line or resistance line. So the support and resistance lines, these ones, the red lines and the blue lines, you use them for your take profit. Then there is this one, you see this one, this line moving with candles, this one moving with candles. So this one predicts the market. You can see it's going up like this one. So it is predicting the direction of the market. So this node, it's a node, you see, it was predicting that the market will move up to here, the pullback. So the moment when you arrive at a node, you exit the market, right? So after doing your top to down analysis, you need to know that, you see, if you see the area with the red lines that are consecutive like this one, it's a strong area for buy from the higher time frame, and you need to pull to do your top to down analysis to take your entries. So I now go down, let me just put an arrow like this, and now go down. So it doesn't matter the pair you are analyzing, doesn't matter that one. All you need is to just kill the market. Let me go to M30. Right now it will be analyzing the market. It will be analyzing the market. Okay, it's taking, it's being slow, okay, it's done analyzing. Okay guys, I was disturbed a little bit, so let me continue with analysis. So the market is moving down from here, come here, hit it first, and the zone will be created. When you see it twice or thrice, then you enter. When you see inside the box where it's written sell, then you enter. So for you to know that the market is going to sell, you have to see an entry point inside the zone. If you see the second entry point, you enter with confidence. Same here, it dropped, come once, dropped, and it already created the zone, this zone, and come back to it. When you see a sell entry, you sell with confidence. But when you see the zones being close together like this, you know that the market is going down severely. So you need to just sell. When it comes back again, you sell. So you use M's and W's. You know that knowledge that when you're going down, you have to see an M or W. Then another thing, you see the market put back. So when you enter here, your take profit will be these lines. O will be the node if it is there. Then the market pulls back like this, come here, first, second. So the zone was created first here. So when it comes back the second time, I told you that you sell, and you can see this sell alert written sell here. So this is a first touch, second touch. When you see the third market coming for the third time, especially if it is boom and crash, You can enter for spikes or you can enter for ticks.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Yeah. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Yeah. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do.